Hello traders, haven't done a video for a while. Last video I did was on dollar yen, I believe. If you look back on the website, theforextraderoom.com, you'll see that the dollar yen trade is giving me a bit of pain, and if you're in it, it's going to give you a bit of pain, but it does still look very, very good, and the Bank of Japan intervened as expected, so I'm still expecting dollar yen to go up and the yen to weaken. But this is about cable, this trade, pound dollar. So let me go through my analysis with you here. First of all, this is a daily chart, so I've drawn some support and resistance lines, and I'll go through this now. So we've got major area of resistance down there. Why did price stop where it stopped? Well, Fibonacci rules again. Take this point here down to this point here. What do you see? Price hits the 61.8. Yeah. I took a short position there, and as you can see, it's come down nicely. So that's a great trade. Coincidentally, if you look to the left here, what else is at that point? This is what made the trade even more valid. Was if you look there to the left, always look to the left, you'll see that was a major area where price bounced previously. And then if you go back even further to the left, you'll see that price has frequently bounced at that point in the past. So it was likely when price reached there with a 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level and that previous area of support along there acting as resistance, the price fell. It was quite an easy trade actually. They don't always work out like that, but it was pretty obvious for me to see, so I did actually make quite a lot of money off that trade, shorting it there. And I believe at the moment the pound is still in a short trade despite this current retracement. I believe the pound is a sell opportunity, and here's why. If we go down to, I'll remove that blue line first of all, go down to a 4 hour here, and let me explain what I'm seeing here. First of all, this red line, that trend line, we've broken it on the 4 hour. If you look, that red candle there broke the line, and then we took out the low of the candle, so that's a confirmed sell point for me then. And sometimes price can just go bang straight down. On this occasion it's given some sideways action, but I'm anticipating another move back down once this consolidation's finished. When I say consolidation, look what's happening on this 4 hour. Price is coming back up to this level continuously along here, keeps hitting it roughly there. That's 3 times now. Third time lucky. I'm hoping this is going to come back down, expecting price to test this level along here. Look how obvious this stuff is, guys, on support and resistance. Look how price hit this level on the bottom here once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. On this latest move down, I was hoping the price would come back down, hit it, but didn't. It retraced, and I'll go through some more analysis here. Why did it stop there? Look at this Fibonacci from that high point there down to the low. The golden ratio hit again, 61.8. Price hit it, fell back down, came back up, hit 61.8 again, as it should be falling. Hopefully, I've shorted the pair as announced on Twitter at 160.25. My stop is at 160.75, which is just up here, just out of the way. If price gets there, I'm out of the trade because it could very easily go up to 78.6. So I'll be out of the trade and possibly look again for another sell opportunity at the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level, possibly. But at the moment, guys, I'm expecting price to come back down to test this lower again at 159 along there, back along there again. So that's where I'm expecting price to come down to, back down to here. So short, I'm personally shorting the pound at every opportunity. As soon as it gets back up to this area again, it's a short opportunity. So that's what I'm aiming for. As you can see, markets are closed, by the way, because it's a Saturday whilst I'm doing this video. But let me just point out once again the 61.8 Fibonacci level. Let me zoom in on this 4 hour. Look at this. Why did price stop there? I was expecting it to come down and test that low again, but why did it stop there? Well, here it is again. Fibonacci. Isn't it amazing how I think it's remarkable how so many traders see the same things. Just look at that, 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level, bang, straight back up again. So don't underestimate Fibonacci, guys. It's very, very powerful stuff. So not only did it do it on the move down, it's continuously hitting those 61.8s and bouncing. These were 61.8 retracements, and so was this one. So it's pretty remarkable stuff. Anyway, so as I just alluded to already, I'm expecting price to potentially make its way back down now to 159. Okay, end of story. That's where I see it, back down there on the 4 hour, that is. Now if we look at daily again, back to the daily, remember we have broken this trend line, but I believe we have anyway. That is why my bias is short the pound, and this is just a consolidational period where price is up and down, up and down. Hopefully this will now come back down again and then make a new low. Where can we expect price to go? Well, 159 first of all, and then if we go back to the daily, like I just said, go back to daily, drawing a Fibonacci study first of all, major low to major high. Where do we expect to see price? 38.2 seems logical. Price is definitely going to try and get there, but I anticipate a move slightly lower than that, but it could be risky. So what do we see? If I look far left, I can see an area there, but the more obvious area is this one here. So here's the target, guys. At the time of doing this video, pound dollar's at 160.13, it says there. I shorted at 160.25 as announced on Twitter. I will be looking to take profit, first lot of profit at 159, and I would expect price to get down to around 158.20 level because of this. Look at this obvious area of previous resistance there. It's going to act as support. We've got a 38.2 Fibo level there, so that will be my target from current level down to there. Put the crosshair on it, and you'll be able to see that that level is approximately 158.20. So what we're talking altogether, around 200 pip potential profit here, guys. So there's a trade. I'm going to take it myself. As I've announced on Twitter, I've already entered the trade at 160.25. So hopefully the markets will open on Sunday evening in my favour, possibly not, but we'll see. Hope you enjoyed the video, hope you've learned something from it. Remember also, guys, let me zoom out slightly, look at this major, excuse me, look at this major area here, that spike here, right back here in July, that coincides roughly with that same level as a 38.2, so price is very likely to struggle there, so bear that in mind. There's the analysis. Let's see how we get on. Looks like a good trade to me, guys, so if you're not in it already, it's worth a go. 60 pip stops, 60-70 pip stops from where you are now, and yeah, I think it's a good trade. Good luck, speak to you soon, bye bye.